This is a short video on Enhanced Notes, one of the GP Elements add-ins from ISC software. Enhanced Notes allows multiple individual notes to be recorded against records in Windows in Dynamics GP. This is already a large improvement over the standard single monolithic note entry box available in the standard functionality. But you can go further than that with Enhanced Notes by using categories and subcategories. The first step is to create the categories and subcategories that you want, which is done through Administration, under Setup, Company, Enhanced Notes, using Setup Enhanced Notes. The note categories are entered in the scrolling window by typing in the new category that you want. And to subcategorize a category, select the row and click the Subcategories link, and this will open the Enhanced Notes subcategory window where you can type in the note subcategory that you want to apply. So this allows you to build up categories and subcategories, allow you to break down your notes when entered, so that you can then easily use those in reporting the type of notes being recorded and the data within them. To use categories and subcategories, what we would do, for example, is go to Sales, open up a debtor card, and then in the notes, we can type in a new note here. So what I might be wanting to enter here is just a quick note. And then what I would do in the category drop down here is change that to say, I want a category of invoice late and a subcategory of late 3. When I hit attach, the note will be inserted. Just open that window up again, you'll see it here. The note's been inserted with the category and the subcategory applied there. So I can see what they are, and in future I can come in here and filter on the category, say, of invoice late, and restrict it down just to say, show me the ones which are late 3 category there too. So we can filter the list down. We could use that in reporting as well, if you want to create a smart list or other type of report to see the notes in the system. So that was an overview of the categories and subcategories functionality available within the Enhanced Notes module. Thanks for watching.